Hi, I'm Evan, and I work here at the Blackmail Helpline Lab. Our team specializes in identifying and tracking cybercriminals, pinpointing their geolocation, analyzing their digital footprint, and preventing them from causing further harm to our clients. One of the key aspects of digital forensics is uncovering the true identities of the offenders. Many of our clients come to us during moments of crisis, when their personal information is being exploited and they're being extorted. In that moment of panic, it can feel impossible to know where to turn. But here at the Blackmail Helpline, we always know how to respond and fight back against cybercriminals. We're here with one of our senior lead engineers, Ava. Hi, Ava.
Hi, Evan. Glad to be here today.
Thank you for being here. Can you please explain how our geolocation system works and how we uncover the true identities of the online criminals?
Sure. So to determine geolocation, we must first identify their real IP address. We use our proprietary IP to location tracking technology developed right here at the Blackmail Helpline to assist victims of extortion. While I can't reveal all the details, of course, I can confirm that it's extremely precise. When we track someone, we always succeed. This technology allows us to unmask cybercriminals, expose their identities, and gather crucial evidence to pressure them into deleting sensitive data and permanently leaving our clients alone.
If you need help uncovering who's behind an online scam or extortion attempt, call the Blackmail Helpline at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com for 24/7 confidential assistance.